In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo in just a few simple steps. This integration can boost your workflow by seamlessly connecting these two powerful platforms, allowing for better data management and automation. So, let's dive in and get started. First, what you need to do is open up Apollo. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section. Within the Settings, find the Integrations option. This is your hub for connecting external services to Apollo, providing a wealth of options that can extend the capabilities of the platform. It's here that you'll set up the communication between Apollo and HubSpot. Next, you need to locate the HubSpot integration from the list of available integrations. Once you've found it, click on Connect. This step initiates the process of linking the two applications. Now, you'll be redirected over to HubSpot. At this stage, it's important to log in to your HubSpot account. You'll want to ensure you're accessing the specific HubSpot account you wish to connect with Apollo, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once logged in, you'll be asked to grant Apollo access. This is a crucial step, as it establishes the permissions needed for these platforms to exchange data. Following this, you may also need to log in to your Google account. This is because HubSpot requires access to your Google Ads account for a more comprehensive integration. By granting this access, you permit HubSpot to interact with your advertising data, offering a more complete view of your customer interactions across different channels. Once your accounts are connected, it's time to configure the data syncing settings between Apollo and HubSpot. Here, you'll set up the push and pull preferences for your data. This includes designing how contacts, accounts, and deals should sync between the two systems. This step is all about tailoring the flow of information to suit the unique needs of your business. After configuring your data sync settings, it's important to map the corresponding fields in both Apollo and HubSpot. This means you'll match fields from one system to the equivalent in the other. By doing this, you ensure that information is transferred accurately and that data points are precisely aligned, allowing for more efficient reporting and analysis. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully integrated HubSpot with Apollo. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and the enhanced capabilities that come with having these two powerful platforms working together. Remember, the key is in the setup. By customizing your integration settings to match your specific requirements, you can unlock a seamless, data-driven workflow that truly benefits your business. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful.